Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. And today we will discuss some more Canterbury tales. As yesterday I have discussed like 4 or 5 tales with you, and our next tale for today's lecture is Cook's Tale. So let's start. So I'm again repeating these lines, that just keep a screenshot with you of these notes and these papers so that you can prepare notes in future. So it will be very helpful for you people, and I am just providing you the major and the most important points for UGC net. Just cram these points directly, and you will basically you have to remember only these points, okay? And just make a storyline in your mind of these tales. So first is Cook's Tale. Just remember one thing, this is an incomplete tale. You know what is the work of cook? Cook basically cooks something, like जो खाना बनाता है. His tale is incomplete tale, and 58 lines of fragment tale of Harley. It enjoys Reeves' tale and offers to tell another tale. This also remember this, that he enjoys Reeves' tale and offer to tell another funny tale. So we can say that this is a funny tale. Okay, this is also a major point. And first is, it is an incomplete tale, 58 lines, and it is a funny tale. An apprentice Perkin who drinks and dances so much that he is called the Perkin Reveler. Perkin Reveler basically used for enjoying. Perkin is basically used for happy man. Okay, he is an apprentice. जैसे एक शॉप में वर्कर होता है वैसे. Finally, Perkin's master decide that he would rather his apprentice leave to reveal than stay home and corrupt the other servants. Okay, उसने decide किया कि वो घर रहेगा. He will stay home and corrupt other servants, and Perkin arranged to stay with a friend who loves drinking and gambling. His friend loves drinking and gambling, and who has a wife and who is a prostitute, and the tale breaks off and unfinishes after the 58 lines. That's the only story of this tale. No need to go in depth of this because this is an unfinished tale. Okay, so let me sum up in Hindi language. क्या होता है? Perkin, okay, he enjoys very much, he dances, he drinks and do everything, and he stay with his friend who also drinks and gambles, and who has a wife and who is a prostitute. And then the tale breaks off and it unfinishes after 58 lines. Another says, if your story will not be good, we will not pay money for the food. Some people say that if अगर आपकी स्टोरी अच्छी नहीं हुई तो जो आपने खाना बनाया है हम उसके पैसे आपको नहीं देंगे. And the Perkin is fond of drinking and dancing, so we can say basically that there is a proverb used in this tale, that is, it is better to take a rotten apple out of the bag than to have it rot all the other apples. It means एक सेब की जो बकेट है उसमें से एक सड़ा हुआ सेब निकाल के रख दो, वो बेहतर होगा इससे अच्छा कि वो दूसरे सेब को सड़ा दे. He was out of the shop because of his honor, and his wife runs a shop but a prostitute. That's all. You have to only remember that it is a unfinished tale, 58 lines, and this is also about the Perkin who enjoys very much, who is a reveler, and his wife is a prostitute basically. That's it. Next tale is about the wife of Bath. Wife of Bath, basically wife of Bath have married 5 times. 5 बार इसकी शादी हो चुकी है, and the name of the 5th husband is Jenkin. Remember this. And she has a gap in her first front tooth. उसके जो शुरू के जो दांत है सामने वाले, उन दोनों में गैप है. और वो किसके बारे में? She told us the tale about the time period of King Arthur. She tells us the tale of the time period of King Arthur, who rapes a girl the night of that period. He was very lustful. King Arthur was very lustful, and he rapes a girl, and so everyone in the estate goes to the King Arthur to tell that he rapes a girl, and the king decides to make a death sentence for the night. Everyone was in a hurry to punish him, and the king decides that the death sentence will be given to the knight, but the queen saves him. Queen ने उसे बचाया. कैसे? She said, I am giving you 1 year. Go and find out what a lady needs, and you will find I'll save you. Okay, then he met an old lady and she married him. That old lady goes near the queen with the knight and say, the ladies all control on their husband is their own lives. उसने बोला, जो क्वीन है जिसने उसे सेव किया, पूछती हैं कि मैं तुम्हें 1 साल देती हूँ, बस तुम्हें ढूंढ के लेके आना है कि एक फीमेल को क्या चाहिए होता है, उसकी लाइफ में सबसे ज़रूरी क्या है. तो वो उसको एक ओल्ड लेडी मिलती है रास्ते में, और वो क्या बताती है, वो क्वीन के पास आती है. बहुत अगली सी ओल्ड लेडी होती है वो, क्वीन के पास आती है. वो बोलती है कि ऑल लेडी नीड्स अ कंट्रोल ऑफ देयर हस्बैंड, एंड शी गिव्स हिम अ चॉइस दैट आइदर I am ugly, either I ugly or faithful, beautiful or unfaithful. What will you accept? या तो मुझे ugly और faithful accept कर लो, या फिर मुझे beautiful और unfaithful accept कर लो. At last, Knight accepts the old lady as faithful and ugly, and the Knight accepts her as very much ugly and faithful. But lastly, as they got married, she lastly transforms into a beautiful girl, and they all go together to the Arthur Queen, and the old woman's answer is correct, and she rewards him for giving her a control of marriage by rendering herself both beautiful and faithful. That's all. This is all about the wife of Bath. कि एक लेडी, एक क्वीन जो है वो उसको बचा लेती है. फिर क्वीन पूछती है कि एक फीमेल को क्या सबसे ज़्यादा उसकी लाइफ में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्या होता है. एंड देन ही मेट अ ओल्ड लेडी, और ओल्ड लेडी उसको क्या बताती है कि दैट उसको अपने हस्बैंड का सारा एक तरीके से उसको अपने हस्बैंड का कंट्रोल चाहिए उस लेडी को. ओके, सो एट लास्ट दैट ओल्ड लेडी मैरी विद दैट मैन, और वो लास्ट में दैट ओल्ड लेडी चेंजेस इनटू अ ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द वाइफ ऑफ बाथ. And then the next tale is the Friar's Tale. Friar's Tale basically is about summoner. Friar's Tale is about the summoner, and he enjoys a wealthy life and speaks approvingly after wife of Bath's Tale. जैसे ही wife of Bath Tale खत्म होती है, उसके बाद हमारी Friar's Tale आती है. Offers to lighten the things up for the company by telling a funny story about the lecherous summon. Just remember this, that this is a funny story about whom? It is about a lecherous summoner. Remember this, Friar's Tale is about summoner. Remember, this is the most important point. Summoner does not object, but he promises to pay Friar back in the own tale. As you have remembered that I have already told you the summoner's tale. Summoner does not object anything, but summoner gives a tale about friar, and friar gives a tale about summoner. So friar tells us an archdeacon who carries out a law without mercy, and the archdeacon is basically like a padri, has a summoner who has a network of spies working for him. He have a network, उसके काफ़ी ज़्यादा networks होते हैं. Many people are good connected to him. The summoner extorts money from those to send to the summon. After comparing notes of their treasury, summoner tries to prosecute an old wealthy widow unfairly, and the devil follows the woman's institution and drag the summoners off to the hell. And the archdeacon or the group of the crew friar take the revenge from the summoner by telling their story. That's all. These are the major points, and let me tell you the story in some points also. This is the character of friar in the tale is opposite to the Canterbury tale. He is Hubert is the name of that character. To help, Hubert means to help others. And the story of summoner who took money from the people, and he met yeoman, and yeoman says, I escort money from people, and same by the summoner. And they met a farmer in the way. Farmer's cart was in the mud. Then he went to the widow, and they try to escort the money to the old lady, accuses them, curses them. At last summoner takes yeoman to hell, and tragic, and summoner's soul is in hell, and the trickster get tricked. क्या मतलब होता है इस स्टोरी में? क्या होता है, ये स्टोरी हमारी फ्रायर ने सुनाई है, समनर के बारे में सुनाई है. वो लोगों से पैसे लेता है, और फिर वो उसको एक डेमन योमन से मिलता है. योमन बोलता है कि मैं मनी एक्सोर्ट करता हूँ. सेम समनर भी वही करता है. फिर वो रास्ते में एक फार्मर से मिलते हैं. फार्मर की कार्ट जो है वो मड में फंस जाती है, और फिर वो विडो के पास जाते हैं. विडो से मनी एक्सपोर्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं, बट वो लेडी उन्हें अब्यूज़ करती है, कर्स करती है, और एट लास्ट जो समनर है वो ह्यूमन को हेल में ले जाता है. उसकी सोल जो है वो हेल, समनर की जो सोल है वो दैट गोज इन टू द hell. And this is the tragic end of the tale. What is the moral of the tale? What is the moral of the story? The trickster get tricked. Trick means the one person who tricks. It means a dishonest person who frauds others by tricking, that got punished at last. So that's all about today's lecture. and in tomorrow's lecture we will discuss some more tales. Just keep learning, keep churning again and again. You have to cram all these tales because you will find definitely 1 or 2 questions from this tale in your UGC NET exam. So that's it. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.